Hi everyone, here's KSTYLEYO. Today I'm going to talk about how to shorten subject particles. Welcome back. My name is Inyo. If this is your first time in this channel, consider subscribing to my channel because I post videos about Korean language and culture every single week. So today I'm going to talk about how to shorten subject particles to subject noun. This question was raised by Mrs. Lady Perez. Please do a video on 나는, 난, 너는, 넌, 저는, 전. This is a great question for everyone. It's because sometimes it's not 100% sure when you're supposed to shorten the subject particles into subject noun. First, let's take a look at what pronouns are in Korean. So start with I, 나, 나. That is in a casual way. 저, 저. That's in a polite way. So we have different levels of politeness even for pronouns. And you is 너, 너. In a casual way. For polite way, you is very tricky because we're not going to say you to older people ever in a polite way. We're going to refer them by their status or their titles or based on their age. So I'm gonna skip about the polite way because there are a number of ways you can refer to somebody who's older than you. But if you wanna check out a video that I made, how to refer friends, that includes somebody who's older than you, then you can click the I button here and check out the video as well. For we can say 우리, 우리 in a casual way. 저희, 저희 in a polite way. For she, 그녀, 그녀 in a casual way. For he, 그, 그. But for she and he, 그녀 and 그 can be also neutral. They're not always in a casual way. It could be also neutral politeness. But if you want to refer somebody who's older, the logic applies the same way based on the status and title and their age. And they, 그들, 그들, casual way. And if you want to refer somebody they in a polite way, I think you will say 그분들. 분 is a counting unit for people in a polite way. I think that you might say 그분들. So far we talked about subject pronouns. And if you add subject particles afterwards. So subject particles in this case, 는 and 은. In this video. So 는 is used after a subject noun that ends with a vowel, and 은 is used after a subject noun that ends with a consonant. We normally shorten subject particles into subject nouns when subject nouns end with vowels. So except for 그들, everything else ends with a vowel. 나, 저, 너, 우리, 그녀, 그. So we can remove 그들 because 그들 cannot be shortened. It's always gonna be used with 은, 그들은. Among those ones, normally we shorten everything else except for 그. But 그, I'm not sure why, but 그 is not shortened. But for other ones, you can shorten it. The way you shorten it is that you're just going to use N as the last consonant of the last syllable of the pronoun. So, 나 becomes 난, 저 becomes 전, 너 becomes 넌, 우리 becomes 우린, 그녀 becomes 그년. But in this case, you need to be careful because 그년 can be a slang. It could also mean that bitch. So maybe you don't want to say 그년 too much. I think the reason why we shorten this is because we want to make it more efficient when we speak. But however, we also write the way we speak as well. But you can use both. You can use 나는 or 난. But I think that 난 is more efficient and it's more common to say. But certainly 나는 can be seen commonly in writing as well. Hopefully this video is useful to you. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel. If you also have questions, leave it a comment down below. If I think that it's a great question for everyone, I'm gonna make a video about it. And I see you guys next time. Bye bye.